Today we're going to talk about finding your audience. Now, what are the right questions to ask? We are going to keep it amazingly simple. So grab a pen and paper and answer these questions. Now, who would you really enjoy connecting with? Now, it could be your grumpy old grandma, but it could also be the horsesmith, a hard worker who's always positive and whistling a happy tune. Just give a short description of character. But the most important thing is, do it right now. Take that action. Now you can just pause this video until you're done. Thank you very much. So hi there once again. Digital Cowboy coming to your rescue. So we are trying to find out who our target audience is. So let's move on to the second question. What are they missing in their life and why? So once again, write it down. Now, we all have our dreams, somewhere we want to get to. So I'll get on my horse now, and you get that piece of paper and take that action. See you in the next video. Hi there, so we are on the journey of finding our audience, people we want to connect with. Now we know who they are and what they're missing in their lives. Now that takes us to the third question. Why can't they make that big change to get to where they want to be? Now what the heck is holding them back? So there we go, write it down, and I'll go riding on. See you soon. Now, congratulations. You've been digging deep into the wells of your mind. Maybe getting to know yourself along with the people that you would love to connect with. Now, let's give this World Wide West story a positive ending with a final question. How would they live their new life if they made that big change? And how would that be of value to the World Wide West? Okie dokie. All right, write it down. Right. You can hit pause if you need more time. So you've taken the time to zoom in on the audience that you would like to attract. And now it's much easier to know where they would be hanging out. What are their interests? And most important, what do you have that would be of value to attract them? Now finally, I'd like to leave you with a quote that every good marketer knows. Marketing to everyone is like marketing to no one. So always remember your audience. Thank you very much.